Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Khush Desai, turn on your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Hansel. Good morning. We will wait one more minute for the students to join and then I will start the class. Please take out your maths notebook. Take out your maths notebook. Arnav Desai, turn on your camera, please. Everyone sit with your math.
Ma'am, the column method, ma'am, the column that lines we will with scale or with freehand.
Yeah, no, with a free hand, you will need scale and pencil. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm
So
going
now
to
I'm
start
going
the
to start
class.
the class. No, you can write
Mute
with
your mic,
pencil.
Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Open your notebooks. Write today's date, that is 5/8, and write the topic again, column method. Column method of multiplication. Priyag, give me any two-digit number.
43 multiplied by 54.
Only two digits. You give the
Okay,
other two
43.
digits. Yeah. Hit Kasodia, give me any two digits.
Ma'am, 38.
38. So by doing the multiplication with the column method, I what is the first step we need to do for the multiplication of the column method?
Expanded
Then we
box.
have to expand.
Yeah, we have to Kiana, very good, Mir Virani. We have to expand the number. So Kiana, can you expand this number 43?
Yes, ma'am. 40 plus
Hmm.
3.
40 plus 3. Yes, you have expanded. Navya, can you expand this number 38? Varinya, Varija, you are joining late. I will call your name.
30 plus 8.
Very good. 30 plus 8. After
Okay.
expanding these numbers, mute your mic. I will call your name. I know to which child I need to ask. Please mute your mics. After expansion, Varinya, what we have to do after expanding the numbers? Yes, Varinya, please speak.
Ma'am, we have to make a column.
How many columns and how many rows?
3, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Three columns because the numbers are two and both the sides are two. So we make three rows, one extra. Three rows and three columns. Mute yourself. Very good. Varija. Varija, now which number I will write in the columns and which group I
Ma'am,
will write in the.
ma'am, can you put the board a little upside? I can see the column.
Check now.
Little.
Wait a minute. Little upside. Okay. Now
Oh, down, down.
down. Now clear? Okay.
Now
So, hmm,
we have to write 43 outside, but we have to leave the first box.
leave the first box. So we write 40 here.
3 and 3.
Push this side.
And then we will write this.
Varija, your
Yes,
turn is
ma'am.
over.
Ma'am, I have a
Now,
query.
which number? Wait. Those who have a query, wait. I will ask. Who said I have a query? Dirg. Okay. Kiana, you have any query?
No, ma'am.
Lower down your hand. Someone mic is on. Please mute your mic. Someone, yeah, push. I'm
Yes,
muting
ma'am.
you for a minute. First, you listen the question and then turn on your mic and give me the answer. We have done 40 here and 3 here as in the columns. Now in the rows, which number we will write, Kush?
Ma'am, first 30 and
Hmm.
first we write 30, then 8.
Hit Kasoria. Now we, to fill this box, which two numbers we will multiply?
Ma'am, 40 multiply by 3.
Bhakti, you have joined 5 minutes late. Kavisha late in the class. Bhakti also 5 minutes late in the class.
Yes, ma'am. I have.
So, Hit, now you tell me to multiply which two numbers we multiply to fill this box.
Ma'am, 40 multiply by 30.
So, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 1200.
12, two zeros, it's 1200. Now, Arnav Desai, which numbers we will multiply to fill this box?
Ma'am, this box. 30 multiply by 3.
30 multiply, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, can I say?
I will call the child name. In one day, you will only get the one chance, bacha. There are 21 students. I need to give chance to everyone.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am not to how to do, but I didn't know to. Tomorrow I also get my mother to teach, but I don't understand.
You
Only
don't know the 30 multiplied by 3 is what?
yes,
You don't know 3 multiplied by 3 and add the 0 at the back? What is
yes.
3 multiplied by 3?
3 multiply by 3 is 9.
So we write 9 and add the 0 at the back of this number.
Yes, ma'am. But
Got, got it now?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Hansel. Hansel, which two numbers we will multiply to fill this box?
This box.
Dirg, I will answer your query. Wait. Hansel, please tell me.
40,
Hmm.
40 multiply 8.
What will be the answer?
8 fours are
Fast.
Ma'am, can I say?
Meet, I will answer. Wait, give you the answer. Yes. No, no, Bhakti. Me, Hansel only will
Ma'am,
answer.
320.
Huh? What?
320.
Very good. Yes, Meet. Meet, what you have not understood till now?
Ma'am, how will be the answer 90?
30 multiplied by 3. To
30
fill
okay,
to
okay.
fill this box, first this box we are filling 30 multiplied by 40. Then
Oh,
this box we are filling 30 multiplied by 3.
mm,
Then this box 8 multiplied by 40.
okay.
And then this box, now you tell me which numbers will be multiplied.
Ma'am, 320 and
3
1200.
multiplied by 8.
Yes.
This number. Okay. रो
Yes.
और कॉलम के नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके ही बॉक्सेस को फिल करना है. Got it? So 8 threes are या 3 eights are will be the same answer.
24.
Tell me. Yes. So we write here 24. Now जो boxes आपने fill किए हैं, ये 4 boxes which you have filled, add them. 1200 plus 90 plus 320 plus
Ma'am, can I
24.
tell the answer?
Add and tell me the answer. Who wants to tell me?
Ma'am, Mir.
Yes, me. Tell me what is the answer after addition.
Ma'am, 1634.
Yes, ma'am. 1634.
Let me check.
Ma'am,
And Dirg, yes, ask your doubt.
no, ma'am, it's me. Right. Just
Yeah,
listen.
Kush first. Let me listen, Dirg, and then I'll come to you. Yes,
Ma'am,
Dirg.
we can do that this 1200 plus 320, then 90, then 24.
Yes. We can do in this way also 1200 plus 320 plus 90 plus 24. Then also the answer will come.
Ma'am, the answer is 1634.
Yeah. Dirg, you ask your query. What was your query?
Yes, ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Because
the
I thought
answer
you.
is right here 1634. Write the final answer here.
Ma'am, this is a easy method.
Very easy method.
Yes.
If you know the table, students know, you will able to do the calculation very easy. So
Yes,
start learning
ma'am.
tables till 15, at least till 15. You learn the tables thoroughly.
Ma'am, I have learned till 20.
Very good. Start learning tables, everyone. I can ask in my class with any child. Mute your mic.
Ma'am, I will
Yes, Mohammed. Mohammed, I'm not able to hear you. Tell me. Or write your query in the chat box. Let me take the attendance. Completed everyone this question? Bhakti, Kavisha, are you all writing in the
No,
notebooks?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. We have
done.
completed the sum. Yes,
Please
ma'am.
complete fast, everyone.
So, ma'am, you can write only the question.
Yeah, now I will give you the questions you will solve.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will give you 3 digits also. So can I erase the board? I will erase this part so that the others also can write.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yuk Surana, give me any 3 digit number.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 584.
Deep Patel, give me any another 3 digit number.
Yes, ma'am. 133.
Here, you are there at your place. Yeah, here, can you expand this number?
50.
No, it's 584.
500. So 500
500
plus 80
plus 80
plus 4.
plus 4. Very good. Mute your mic now. Next, Khush Desai, can you please expand this number?
Okay, ma'am. 100
100
plus 30
plus 30. Mute your
plus
mic,
3.
Bhakti Bacha, and turn on your camera. Plus 3. Very good. So, expanded I have already given you. Now make the rows and columns and multiply and find the answer. Priyag, yes, Warija.
If you want to take the answer and plus it, you can plus it 2 times. First, you need to plus 1200 plus 70, then is equals to this the sum number, then 320 plus 24.
Yeah, you can do in that way also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now I will ask from Priyag. Priyag, now how many rows and how many columns we will make?
We will make 3 rows for it.
There are 3 numbers. So 4 rows and one extra will be there.
Yes, yes, ma'am. One extra.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. And 1, 2. Can I erase the down one also, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can.
1, 2, 3, and the 4. Now, Mohammed Patel. Mohammed Patel, which numbers
Which
I will
numbers I will
write in the
write in
column?
the column?
Children, listen now.
Children,
Mohammed,
listen
you
now.
put
Mohammed, you
yourself.
put yourself.
Mohammed, you never give answer in the class, and your mic also disturbs a lot. When you are here in the class from the beginning, so why don't you understand and give the answers, bacha? There are the two groups which we have made, and now these two groups you need to arrange them in the row and column. It is up to you whether you want to write this group in the rows, or you want to sorry, in the columns, or you want to write them in the rows. It's up to you. चाहे इस वाले ग्रुप को आप कॉलम्स में लिखो चाहे रोज में लिखो, ये आपके ऊपर है, आप कैसे लिखना चाहते हो. आंसर विल कम सेम. Sometimes, for example, don't write I am explaining, you look at the board. For example, I am writing this group as 584 and then 133. This is the one way of writing. The other way of writing is I will do the reverse of this. I will write 100, 30 and 3 in the columns, and I will write 580 and 4 in the rows. So both the ways are correct. Till here everyone is understood? Can please show me thumbs up? Everyone is clear that there are two ways of arranging them. So now Bhakti will tell me. Yeah, ask Priya.
So, ma'am, we can put the biggest number up and down also, and the smallest also up and down.
Yeah.
Okay,
No
ma'am.
problem. Both the ways are correct. Bhakti, now which two numbers we multiply to fill this box?
Ma'am, which box?
This one. First box को आपको fill करना है ना, कौन से numbers को multiply करें? Fast, Bhakti.
Fast.
Ma'am, 500 by 100.
Okay, very good. 500 by 100. What will be the answer? Five ones are 5, and add the 2 zeros of 100 and 2 zeros of 500. So 4 zeros will come. It will be
50,000.
Now next, Navya. Now to fill the next box, which two numbers we will multiply?
530.
What will be the
500
answer?
multiplied
What will be the answer?
15. 15,000.
15 and 3 zeros will come. Yes. Next, Kiana. To fill this box, what we have to do?
Ma'am,
We will do 8 threes.
Just wait, Pacha. 8 threes are no. Where is 8? To fill this box. Now ये complete करना है ना पहले हम.
80 multiplied.
Can you see? No, can you see ये और ये कॉलम और ये रो ऐसे मैच होंगे. 80 के साथ जब ये मैच होगा तब इस कॉलम में आएगा.
ओके, तो हम 500 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 करेंगे.
What will be the answer?
1500.
Next, yes, Kush. Ask your query.
Ma'am, I have written down 584 and 133.
So you do your multiplication. You do your multiplication accordingly. You can change the multiplication and write the answer. You just know the concept ki kaise multiply karna hai. Answer, when final answer will come, it will be same.
Ma'am, I have one query.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, first you have multiplied 500 multiplied by 100. Then you have multiplied 500 multiplied by 30.
Yes. Because this row and this column, then again this row, this column, this same row, the third column.
Okay,
जब
ma'am.
ये फर्स्ट रो तीनों कॉलम्स के साथ हो जाएगी, देन सेकंड रो पे आएंगे, फिर सेकंड रो तीनों कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई होगी, देन हम थर्ड रो पे आएंगे, देन थर्ड रो तीनों कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई होगी.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the way to find the answer of the unfill this boxes. And please find now and tell me the final answer. Do it in your notebook fast. Arna Desai, please write. Please write, everyone. Hansel, please write. Don't sit. Please write in your notebooks because
Ma'am, I have found.
Ma'am, I have a query.
Yes, please ask.
I have found.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you guys found.
Wait, I will ask. Let ask the.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot figure out how to plus this. It's such a long sum.
Why can't you figure out to plus? First, you do one thing plus this group. Okay.
Okay.
Then whatever the answer is coming, plus this group and add them. Then whatever the answer is coming, plus this group and add them.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
You can take out your easy ways to add them. You can either add these first three groups, ये जब fill हो जाएंगे, then this group, and add them. This is up to you. Yes, Bhakti, let me see what are you showing me. It's incomplete still. Please complete it, bacha. Please, Bhakti, complete it. It's incomplete. I have not filled the 6 boxes. Fill them and find the answer. What is the
Ma'am,
answer?
can I tell you?
Yes.
Ma'am, 77,672.
Excellent.
Ma'am, my answer is also there.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have done this
Yes,
full
Kavisha.
9 sums.
Ma'am, what is the
answer? I will
You wait. Meer Virani, Kavisha is asking something.
How does in the second box 1,508?
500 multiplied by 30. As I said, no, first this row will multiply all the 3 columns.
Ma'am, but I have done like this.
तो बेटा आपने ये इधर लिखा है, तो you do accordingly. Take the numbers. जो आपके mute yourself first.
Okay.
Lot of disturbance was coming. Now listen. Maybe you have done the 130 this side and 584 this side, right? You are saying that, Kavisha? Yes. So you accordingly multiply. Your answers will be different. In the boxes, it will be different, but when you add them, your answer will come same. Maybe your answer in the boxes will not match, bacha, but when you add the boxes, your answer will come same. Meet, I hope you are doing in your notebook. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am doing.
Ma'am, can you write the third sum
Yeah.
down?
You can do with your own also and give me your digits and your answer.
Okay,
Do it
ma'am.
by yourself. Any
Okay,
sum. Any two, take 2 digit one side, 3 digit another side, or both the side 3 digit and multiply them. You can also frame and write it in the chat box also that what was your answer. Now 2 sums you can do by your own and write the answers in the chat box. That what are your digits and what are your answer. Varenya, tell me in this box what will come. Wait, let me make the big boxes so that it will be clear to you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I
Yeah.
add my numbers?
Yeah, together also you can add.
Okay, ma'am.
It's up to you how much it's convenient to you. Okay. So this we have multiplied that 5 ones are 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. It's 50,000. Next is 8 ones are 8 and 1, 2, 3 zeros. 4 ones are 4 and 2 zeros. Now this is remaining to fill. Meet, can you tell me what will come here in this box?
Yes, ma'am.
What will come here in this box? ये वाली रो, ये वाला कॉलम, ये वाली रो, ये वाला कॉलम.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of second?
No, let me first talk with Meet first. Yes, Meet, tell me now.
Ma'am, 30 multiplied by 5.
हाँ, so 3 multiply by 5 कर दो, zeros
Yes.
को हम पीछे जोड़ देंगे.
Okay, ma'am. 1500.
15 and then you will add 3 zeros. It's 15,000. Yes, got it. 2 0 500
But
की 1
ma'am,
0 30 की. Yes, Laisha.
but ma'am, in this one I have done the column at the up. I've done
It's okay.
100.
As I beta मैंने beginning में only I explained. If you change the this side or this side, maybe your answer in the boxes come different. But when you do the total, your answer will come same.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Mir Virani. Mir Virani, what will come in this box according to the digits which I have done?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one.
Bhakti, you bacha facing a lot of network issue. You're coming and going in the class.
When 2,400.
8 1 8, so 16, 8 3 ja 24, and 2 zeros. Yes. Next is Bhakti. What will come in this box? Tell me fast.
What, ma'am?
What will come in this box? How to fill this box?
34, sir.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I? This is new, sir. Ma'am, can I make my own sums?
Yes, yes, please make 2 sums extra compulsory for everyone to do in the class. 2 extra sums are compulsory and write them in the chat box also, students. I will check the
Ma'am,
chat box. Yes, Ahana.
ma'am, I want to ask you that we can write 2 digit also.
Yes. 2 digit by 2 digit or 2 digit by 3 digit or 3 digit by 3 digit is up to you. Yes, Bhakti, please tell me a 30 multiplied by 4, what will come here in this box?
120.
Very good. Bhakti, you have not attended the PTM, so please stay in the class. I want to talk to your parents after the class. Don't leave the class.
Ma'am, I can say answer.
Yes, wait. I want to. Kavisha.
Yes.
Kavisha, with 3 multiplied by what? So to fill the this box.
Ma'am, we will multiply 3 by 500
Hmm.
and it will be 1500.
Very good. Varija, next. Fill this
Yes,
box.
ma'am.
Fill this box. Fast, Varija.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 240 is the answer.
Next,
Ma'am, can I tell?
no, Kiana done, done. Ahana done. Kush Desai done. Mohammed Patel, tell me what will come in this box.
This last one.
Yes. Priyag, you tell me.
Ma'am, I
Mohammed,
have
you taking lot of time. Priyag, you tell me what will come in the last.
Moment, mute yourself.
It's 12.
Yes.
ma'am, I have done one sum
Now
at my
add.
own.
Very
Ma'am, can I say the answer, Hana?
yes, yes. What is the answer?
Ma'am,
No, wrong,
65,775.
wrong, wrong.
77,672.
Yes, the final answer is 77,672. If your answer is this, then your answer is right. Okay, now I'm going to check the chat box because many of the students are writing in the chat box also. Dev has written one number that is 789 multiplied by 684. So the answer is 53,009. No, 5,39,676. Very good. Then after the Kavisha has written. Kavisha, not only answer, I want the Laisha, Kavisha, Navya, I want your digits also. How I will check whether it is right or wrong. So I want the digits also that you have multiplied this by this. Someone mic is on, please mute your mic. Yes, please write in the chat box. You write in the chat box if you have done.
Ma'am, I'm
Kiana,
writing only.
Kiana, write your digits also the way Dev has written.
I am writing that only, ma'am, in the chat
Yes,
box.
yes, please. And your today's home task is I will put in the classroom also, but I am announcing here in the class also. Page number 67. Wait, I will check. First, let me announce. Everyone, please open page number 67 of your textbook. Page number 67. You know, there are sums given in your textbook. Some few sums are given till A to H. You can see here in the textbook also. A to H, some sums are given. These sums you need to solve it with the column method. Got it, everyone? These sums you will solve it with the column method. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in page number 67.
I will not answer if 5 to 6 students speak together. Sorry. Mohammed, you have any difficulty with your mic? Mute it, please. And raise your hand. I have told many times in the class. If you have any query, raise your hand. Yes, Laisha.
Excuse me, ma'am. In the 67 page, there are some multiplication sum we have to do in this notebook. No.
Yes. With
Okay.
the column method. Right at the
Okay,
top
ma'am.
by column method.
Yes, ma'am. My query also.
Yeah, in the notebook. Yes, Arnav Desai, any query? Lower down your hand. Yes, Ahana, any query?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
In
me
the
what.
60, ma'am, in the 67 page, the first exercise we have to do.
Yes, first guess the answer. This first no, exercise. There
Okay,
are
ma'am.
A to H sums. These you do on. You will complete in your notebook.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
These you
Yes.
will complete with the column method.
Okay.
Yes, Yug Surana. What is your query?
Ma'am, I was saying that when I was writing in the chat box,
Hmm.
I get got stuck and my camera got off.
Okay, maybe it's a network problem, bacha.
And I'm owning it's owning for
When you
two
leave the class,
seconds.
maybe after that it will work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, you have checked my son.
I will check. Kiana, yes, ask your query.
And ma'am, that some we have to do in notebook, so we have to
Yes.
submit you that.
Yeah, because I'm going to post it in the classroom. So you
Okay,
will
ma'am.
submit it. Yes, Kavisha.
Ma'am, in that 67 page, the E question.
Only A to H sums you need to do.
Ma'am, in the E question it is one digit. So how we will do that one?
You can take one digit, only rows and 2 rows and 3 columns. See, mute yourself. See, it's 142 multiplied by 5. So when you make 3 columns, 100 plus 40 plus 2 means 4 columns, and 1 row only because it's a 2 rows. It's 5 only. So this much only it will be. Now 5 multiplied by 100 will come here, 5 multiplied by 40 will come here, and 5 multiplied by 2 will come here. And add. Got it? Now I will read the chat later after the class. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.